This PC case cost only $99, which is super cheap. Let me explain. The Fantex NV5 is a premium case with an entry-level price point. Included is a GPU holder to prevent your card from sagging, RGB lights built into the case, and also a huge amount of customization. You can mount up to 8 fans, have multiple radiators, making it useful for custom water cooling, which is quite rare for this price point. And all of the screws that you need to build your PC are included in this little box. I've just downsized my PC to this case because of a huge problem, and you can learn why in this video.